summer chicken salad. I've got some chicken breasts, and I'm gonna pound them flat, and I've got a rolling pin, and I'm just gonna pound them till they're uniform in thickness. I'm just kind of whacking that thick part of the chicken breast, and then they'll cook evenly, and it'll be really quick. Okay, now I'll just season the chicken. I'm just gonna use salt and pepper, sprinkle the tops, and then I'll just drizzle the grill pan with a little bit of olive oil, and then the chicken goes right on. And I'll let this cook while I get the rest of the salad ingredients ready. Sprinkle the tops with salt and pepper. Okay, great. Now, I've got some celery. I dug into the center of the celery and got the nice tender stalks in the middle, and I'm just cutting them into really thin strips. Just turn them over and just dice them up really fine. Okay, celery's all chopped up to handle. I grilled the corn, but not really long enough to cook it. I still wanted it to be really crunchy, but I wanted to get some nice color on the outside. And I'm just gonna slice the kernels right off. I can tell that it's really crunchy because I hear it coming off the cob. All right, now I'm gonna rotate the chicken. I'm not gonna turn it, I'm just gonna rotate it 45 degrees because I wanna make sure they get really nice grill marks. Just looks extra pretty that way. Now, I'll get the veggies in the bowl, and then I also have some really finely diced red onion. Now, dill is another thing that makes this salad so wonderful. I'll just slice off the leaves, and then I'll just mince it up. Now, I'll throw that in. Okay, the chicken is done, so I'll just take it off the board and let it cool for a minute, and then I'll start throwing the salad together. This will give me time to tell you about the dressing for the salad. It is good. It's mayonnaise, then some sour cream, crumbled feta, a little lemon juice, half and half, a pinch of sugar, salt and pepper, and then just a shake, and it's done. Okay, got that all sliced up. Now the chicken goes right into the bowl with all the other stuff. And then I'll just drizzle on about half the dressing to start with. Right before I serve this salad, I'm gonna toss in some fresh blueberries. They just completely make the whole thing.